proud to be ko na kupi ka rin yung pibatang ko na dati kong mamagtinda, mamaglako kendalan. Kaya po marini. Bakit din tao nga kakasabi ko, atin lang inspiration na o ba't dati kang kaya ba't ngayon kang medyo makayat chip ka ng tamburin.
Istoya po. Hello po! Sama po kayo sa vlog ko.
Hello!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Yun!
Karen!
Hello po! So meron tayong tatlong section kung saan naroon ang ating mga villa. This is the main villa na mag-give you a tour kung ano yung nasa loob ng ating main villa. This is it. This is the living room area. Sala set natin. And we have, wow, 2 TVs. Ito yung pinaka-dining area natin. Now, we have 3 rooms. We're gonna go to the first room. This is the master bedroom. Suitable for 2, for couple. Probably a family with 1 kid. Pwede itong room na to. Going to the next room. Ito naman, so meron tayong, so we have 2 double decks dito, guys. So this one, it can accommodate up until 6 persons. Going to the last bedroom, ito naman, okay. So it has 2 double decks then. But I think this one, it can accommodate up until 5. Around 5 people. And guys, so that was it. That was the main villa. Tingnan naman natin yung mga ibang accommodations dito. Notice this container van. Actually, this is an old container van na transform into an additional room. Kalak lang siya for now. You might notice, guys, this is an open bar where you can actually have cocktails, some drinks. The place, itong buong lugar na to, Belle's Private Resort, is actually very suitable for an event like debut, baptism, birthday, you know, small gathering for a party, mga ganyan. Very, very suitable siya actually for those kinds of events dahil napakalaki niya, guys. Tara, ikot pa tayo. Guys, so actually, meron tayong small private event with the owner. Kaya mag-gate crash tayo sa kanila ngayon. Tara, makisali tayo sa kanilang celebration. This is the main area for the recreation. Dun sa likod ko na yon, meron tayong swimming pool. We also have pool for kids. Sa likod ko rin dito is a gazebo. And then, yung last accommodation rooms natin actually are these 2 rooms. These can also be rented. Depende sa package na pipiliin nyo. Now, let's talk about the packages. So now, for package A, it's 12,000 pesos. You get 3 rooms air condition, which is yung main villa natin. You get to use all of the recreational amenities. So that's just 12,000 pesos. Now, for package B, this is the main pool area. Yun. So, meron pa rin tayong parang jacuzzi type na, pool. And then this one's for the adult. So the time now is around 10 minutes before 6. And notice, guys, ayan. So na-appreciate na natin yung mga ilaw dito. And for sure, mamayang gabi, when it becomes darker, mas ma-appreciate natin how romantic the place is.
Kasi pangalan mo?
Louie po, somewhere in Pampanga. Okay.
Pero nanonood lang kasi ako vlog, pero yung name ko na.
Okay lang.
Mukha lang ito.
Thank you po. Ay, what? Ay. You can jump. Find a good spot to talk about more about the place na. So para sa akin personally, guys, hindi ito yung fancy na ma-intimidate ka sa lugar. So it's just straight to the point. Ang daming puno ng halaman that you can actually also enjoy. Mas refreshing. Mas malamig yung yung lugar. That's 2 pools lang. 1 for adults and then 1 for mga kids. You also have a gazebo. And then this place is actually, ayan diba? Wow! So, what's good about gate crashing sa mga event, guys, is of course, free food. So meron akong tibok-tibok in Kapampangan and pizza. This is it. This is the place. This is how it looks like during the night. Very romantic, very, you know, secluded. As in, once you come here, bibigay sa inyo yung susi guys, it's all yours. Guys, if you're interested to know more about this, check out their fan page. Included po yung link dito sa caption na to. You can also call the numbers we're gonna be providing. Call them if you are interested to book or know more about this. Ayun. So, kaya na ako guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Peace. Bye. Now for package B, you get 5 rooms. Now you get the main villa, which is yung inikutan natin kanina, and then these 2 additional rooms right here. Now that's just 15,000 pesos. For package C, which is 18,000 pesos, you'll get 6 rooms that are air conditioned. So the main villa, these 2, and then yung container van room na nakita natin kanina. Check in and check out pala natin doon ay 12 PM up until 12 noon the following day. Ngayon kung ayaw mo naman ng overnight, now you can actually have a day tour package which is 8,000 pesos or a night tour package for just 10,000 pesos. What you will get are those 2 rooms plus yung mga recreational amenities natin dito. Cool!